Hello there, it's morning time. Alright, I'm gonna ask you to go ahead and click on that plus sign. I'm gonna ask you to share with a friend, with a family member, or just someone you know might need this information so that whenever I do a video or videos like this one, you will be the first, of course, to receive it. This morning I'm featuring this plant here. Who know the name of this plant? Well, for some, they call it the Sinkle Bible, and for others, they call it the Aloe Vera. This is a very good plant to have at your home. It has a lot of benefits, but I would like to focus on just one. This is very good for persons if you're just receiving an open wound, if you just get a cut in the flesh, a tear in the flesh. This is a very powerful remedy to use. What you do is you cut this, you cut it, and you extract that white soft gel from the middle now, and you place it on the cut, the wound area. And when you place it on it, what it does is, yes, of course, you will wrap it with the gauze wrap, and very lightly though. What it does is it helps to heal the wound much faster than the norm. If there's any little bacteria that enter that wound, it will draw it out. And when you leave that Sinkle Bible for overnight, what will happen is the following day you will see the Sinkle Bible fully dry, because it will suck everything from that wound. And if you have received a cut or an open wound before, you would understand that after a while it start to pain. It start to attract a lot of pain, and you feel the nerve moving in it. This plant here, it reduce all that. No pain, no nerve jumping in it. It just neutralizes everything. And also it reduces any form of swelling. You know, after you get a cut, a open wound, then swelling is right after. This prevent all that. The Sinkle Bible, the Aloe Vera. Once more, I'm gonna ask you just to click on that plus sign, so whenever I share information like this, you will be first in line to receive it. And also share it with a friend, share it with a family member, or just someone you know might need this. This is very important, especially when you have a lot of toddlers around, a lot of children playing and receiving cuts and bruises. This is a very good plant, a very good remedy